Welcome dear students. Now I am going to discuss about the use of do verb in simple past tense. First of all, look at the examples I have given here. Assertive, affirmative. I did the work. Here I subject, did. It is the main verb second form of do verb. That means MV2. Thereafter the work, object or others. Similarly, second one, John did it. John, it is the subject. Did, it is the main verb second form, or MV2 it is object or others. Now, if I want to change into assertive negative, then the first one will be I did not. I did not do the work. I did not do the work. I subject, did not. As usual in simple past tense, did is needed for changing into negative, interrogative, etc. Thereafter do. It is the main verb first form or MV1 of the verb did. Thereafter object or others. Similarly, second one, John did not do it. John did not do it. John subject, did. It is the auxiliary verb or helping verb to make it negative. Thereafter not. Thereafter do. It is main verb first form. Thereafter object or others. Now, if I want to change them into interrogative affirmative, then we need to take the support of do, that means did in simple past tense. Now I want to change them into interrogative affirmative. Now I want to change them into interrogative affirmative. First one, did I do the work? Question mark. Did I do the work? Did, thereafter subject, thereafter main verb first form of the given verb. MV1, thereafter object or others, at last question mark. Similarly, second one, John did it. Did John do it? Did John do it? Question mark. Did John subject, do main verb first form, it object, at last question mark. In this way we can change these sentences into interrogative affirmative. Now I will change them into interrogative negative or negative interrogative. Interrogative negative. First one, I did the work. Did I not do the work? Question mark. Did I not do the work? Did, thereafter subject pronoun, that's why not is placed after the subject. Thereafter main verb first form of the given verb. Thereafter object or others. At last question mark. Or we can do in this way, didn't I? Or we can do in this way, didn't I do the work? Didn't I? Or we can do using the short form in this way, didn't I do the work? First shortened form, thereafter subject, any subject here, thereafter main verb first form or MV1, thereafter object or others. Now similarly I will change the second one into negative interrogative. John did it. Second one, John did it. Did not John do it? Question mark. Did not John do it? Question mark. First of all, did, thereafter not, John subject noun. That's why not is placed before the subject. Thereafter main verb first form. Thereafter object or others. At last question mark. Or we can write using the shortened form also. Didn't John do it? Question mark. Didn't, shortened form. Thereafter subject, noun or pronoun, any subject. Thereafter do, main verb first form. Thereafter object or others. At last question mark. Didn't John do it? In this way we can interchange these sentences having do verb.